Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram error could not take photo, please try again later problem on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on Instagram apps. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data on Instagram application. Go back. Again click on apps permission. You make sure your Instagram application all permission allow. Mainly camera permission is important. Step 2. Open Play Store. Click on search. Search Instagram apps. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram error could not take photo, please try again later problem on Instagram. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.